how to make your package look bigger. Is this a real topic? Hello and welcome. My name is Arica Angelo, and I'm your dating relationship expert, and I've been at this for 12 years. And my team tells me that this is something that you guys want to know. How to make your package look bigger. All right, let's just cut to the chase. If you want to make your package look bigger, listen, I know you want women to be sexually drawn to you. You want them to be aroused by you. I get it. And there's this connotation that bigger is better. So obviously, maybe it's unobvious to you. But if you're Googling this, probably it's not obvious, but you should be wearing more tailored jeans, not such baggy clothes that lets everything fall, because, gravity is not in your favor when making things look bigger and better. And also, you want to wear those tight briefs that pull things up, not loose boxers that let things hang down. Okay, do we have that covered? Did I answer that? Do you get it? Okay, let's just cut to the chase. Why do you want your package to look bigger? Why? So that women are drawn to you sexually, so that they want to have sex with you, so that you sexually please them. But here's the real talk. When I'm talking to women, it is not always the size of your penis that is going to bring her pleasure. In fact, there are many men out there who have massive penises that when you talk to women, they will tell you these men don't know what the hell they're doing with the penis, which lets you know that as a man, despite what size your penis is, it's not about making your penis bigger. You're going about this all wrong. What it is about learning how to use your penis. So when you're making love to her, be in her body, feel her vagina, feel the areas of where she experiences pleasure, and then penetrate her in those areas. But just having a giant cock and just going, Listen, I know in the pornographic things that you guys, the films that you watch, it's like, oh yeah, he has such a big cock, it makes her hot. And she, But in real life, that's not how it works. And so what happens is if you get so obsessed with your penis size, when you go to make love to a woman, if you don't have the big penis that you see in the porns, then you start telling yourself, I'm inadequate. When you show up, you bring that inadequate energy to the bedroom, and that shuts things down because you have already taken yourself out of the game sexually, and therefore you're not present with her and she is not fully experiencing you. So quit worrying about the size of your package. Instead, when you're making love to a woman, be present with her. Feel in her body the areas that she responds to the best when you penetrate her. And don't see yourself as inadequate because of the size of the penis. Because when women get down and talk to the nitty gritty and they're keeping it real with one another, at the end of the day, sometimes the men that they had the best sex with did not have the biggest penises, but they had the best connection with him and he knew where to put his penis. That, my dear, is what you should be concerned with. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe. Turn on the bell. Some of you guys don't know when these videos come out, so turn on that bell and it'll let you know. Listen, babe, women, as much as you see porn, women, when they're talking behind the scenes, it's really about the guy that she feels the safest with and who really is just immersed in making love and bringing pleasure to her bodies. Those are the best lovers, not the guy. The biggest does not win. Not the guy with the biggest cock. He just does not win. And most of the time women will say, yeah, it was really big. It was like a freak show. But then after that, they don't want to be with him anymore because he doesn't know what he's doing. It's just like beautiful women who don't cultivate their inside and they become bitches. It's the same thing with guys who have big cocks and like, oh, I have a big cock, but he hasn't cultivated how to use it. And so he's that freak show. It's like, yeah, you have a big cock, but you don't know how to use it. So learn how to use it. Listen, baby doll, if you need coaching, that's what I'm here for. If you find yourself getting caught up on things that just don't matter and you're like, give me some focus, Eric, give me some clarity on where I need to go with women. What should I be focusing on? Sign up for some coaching with me right now. And listen, I love you. You have what it takes. So come on, quit disqualifying yourself and quit being obsessed over the size of your penis, babe. Come on, seriously, get with it. I love you. See you in the next video.